A day after Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee alleged an attack in which she suffered injuries to her leg and neck, the BJP said it would complain to the Election Commission that she's spreading lies about attack for politics. A delegation of BJP leaders will meet Election Commission officials in Kolkata to complain against the Chief Minister's accusation and seek an investigation. Aishi Ghosh, the chief of the Students' Union of the Jawaharlal Nehru University, will contest the assembly election in West Bengal as a CPIM candidate. She is the first sitting president of JNU's Students' Union to contest in an assembly election. The CPIM has given Ghosh the Jamuria seat to contest from. She will be backed by the Samyukt Morcha. The centre has accorded Y+ VIP security cover to veteran actor Mithun Chakrabarti, who recently joined the BJP, official sources said on Wednesday. They said the security cover will be provided by the Central Industrial Security Force that has a dedicated wing for this task called the Special Security Group. The 70-year-old actor had joined the BJP on Sunday at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mega rally at the Brigade Parade Ground in Kolkata. The COVID-19 vaccination certificates in the poll-bound states such as West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Assam and Kerala and the Union Territory of Puducherry will not carry a photo of Prime Minister Narendra Modi from now onwards as decided by the Union Health Ministry under the direction of the Election Commission of India. This comes days after the Trinamool Congress approached the ECI and called PM Modi's photo on vaccination certificates a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. Days after a row over a debate on the protest by Indian farmers in the UK Parliament, Congress leader Shashi Tharoor on Wednesday said it is normal for any democracy with elected representatives to hold a discussion on a domestic issue of another country. Just as we in India can discuss, say, the Palestine issue as we have done, or can discuss, if we so choose, any other domestic issue of a foreign country, the British Parliament has the same right, the Congress MP told the media.